Welcome back. In this video I am going to edit this photo into this. So watch till end and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Take a photo and take another photo of background and open the background photo in Snapseed. Every photo editing start with a little bit of crop. Select the crop tool and choose your ratio and crop the image. After then, apply it. And now making the background blur, go to lens blur, use your two fingers and make it small. And set the transition to 0 and now increase the blur strength how much you need. And if you need the vignette strength, you can also increase the vignette strength and hit right. Now the background was blurred but the point is still remaining. Go to healing tool and just touch on it. The point vanishes. Go to tools and select double exposure and add your first clicked photo. Rotate the photo and set it perfectly and increase the opacity and apply it. You can see an option up here, edit track. Go to edit track and view edits and double exposure and the brush. You can see a note icon over here, just click on it. Make sure the double exposure value is set to 0, zoom maximum and start erasing. Don't make any urgent, take your own time, make it perfect. After erasing, hit invert and apply it and go back. The added photo is not bright and sharp. Go into tools and selective tool and selecting the subject. The red area shows selected. Increase the brightness, the contrast and saturation and structure. After applying tools and double exposure and adding the screenshots. Rotating and setting on an image and going to blend mode and lighten and hit apply. Adding another screenshot. The screenshot background color is black because I am selecting lighten. If your screenshot white, select the darken. Photo is ready to export. Export it. Now open the photo in Lightroom. After opening the photo in Lightroom, making the basic corrections, I will give the values on the side. Go to color and increase the temp to 10 and tint -4 and vibrance -10, saturation 6. And now go to color mix. I will give the values. These are my values. After color correction, go to effects and increase the texture 10 and decrease the clarity 10 and decreasing the vignette. You can see before after. Now ready to export.